is Carla from Carla's Gluten-Free Recipe Box. I thought I'd show you the dairy-free version of my bread that I made with the new mix. And that's the mix that's called Copycat King Arthur's gluten-free bread and pizza mix. And this is the dairy-free version. You can see how smooth top it has, and it's bendable, pliable. Really nice bread. I'm really pleased with this. I'm so happy I found the mix online and was able to duplicate what I think is equal to their mix without using any strange manufacturer ingredients like mono and diglycerides. So these are available at glutenfreerecipebox.com. The recipes, you can check out my YouTube video for the pizza texture as well. And they're available with a membership. Thanks for watching.